Hey there, this is Nick at DuraLabel. In this video, we'll show you how to power on your Kodiak Max industrial sign label print system, finish its system setup, and get you connected to a wireless network. Before we start setting up your system software, we'll need to power on your Kodiak Max. You want to grab the power cord from your accessories bag that was inside the packaging, and then we'll locate a nearby outlet. After plugging in the other end of your power cord to a nearby outlet, we'll take a look at the back of your Kodiak Max and plug in the remaining end. So you'll take the power cord and you'll plug it into the power socket that we talked about before. After that, we'll flip on the power switch to the right of the power socket. There will be a green light glowing, indicating that the print system has been turned on. As our software and our setup screen loads on up, you'll see that I've grabbed our wireless keyboard that was located within the interior lid of the Kodiak Max. It has a touchpad along with selector tools, so it acts like a mouse as you navigate your 9-inch touchscreen. And now from this point forward, we're going to move closer to the screen so we can get you through setup, connected to the internet, and then start creating and printing your first label inside of LabelForge PRO. We'll start off by choosing our language. I'm going to choose English, but make sure to choose the language you'll be operating your print system in. So we're going to click on that. You can click English again for my keyboard layout. And connect the keyboard. This has already been set up in the back, and we have our keyboard turned on, but I'm just going to type in just to make sure. So just DuraLabel. I'm going to go over and hit next. And now we're going to connect to your wireless network. Now that we're connected to our wireless network, we're going to hit next in the bottom right-hand corner. After hitting next in the bottom right-hand corner, we are then prompted with the system update page. You'll see that our Kodiak Max print system is already up to date. If it is not up to date, you will do that update right on the screen. After that, we're going to hit finish. And then we are going to be taken to LabelForge PRO. Welcome to the LabelForge PRO Sign Label Design Software home screen. And that's it. You've now completed setting up your Kodiak Max and connecting to Wi-Fi. If you have any more questions about your Kodiak Max, please refer to the user guide, visit our tutorials on our product knowledge base, or take advantage of your free lifetime support by contacting a DuraLabel support specialist at DuraLabel.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.